Hello, good morning. We are covering the AQA GCSE. Um, it's not GCSE. We are covering the AQA entry level 3 combined science. This is a topic biology, and we're going to start from some of the key points. So let's revise some of the key points together. Cells. Cells are the smallest building blocks of life, like bricks in the house. Cells are the basic unit of life. All living organisms are made up of cell. In human, there are specialized cells called red blood cell which carry oxygen and nerve cells which send signals. Each type of cell has a specific function to keep the body working properly. Next is tissues. Now, tissues are a group of cells working together to perform a specific job. I repeat, tissues are a group of cells working together to perform a specific job. For example, muscle tissue helps with movement, while epithelial tissue covers and protects the surface like the skin and the lining of the stomach. Next is organ. An organ is made up of different tissues working together to carry out a particular function. For example, heart pumps blood, lungs help with breathing, and stomach digests food. Then organ system. Organ system are group of organs working together to perform complex function. For example, digestive system breaks down food, circulatory system transport blood and oxygen. So the cells make the tissue makes the different organs make the organ system. Now the hierarchy in the body. The body is organized in hierarchy, means the cells make the tissues form organs, and organs form organ system. This allows the body to work effectively as each level perform its specific role. Now we are covering the digestive system and enzyme. So first of all, what is the purpose of digestion? It helps in break down large molecules like carbohydrates, protein and fats into the smaller molecules. It goes like mouth, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine and the large intestine. So when we start about the mouth, digestion starts here. Saliva breaks down starch into the sugar. Esophagus uses muscular contraction and this called peristalsis to move food to the stomach. Then stomach produce hydrochloric acid. I repeat, stomach produce hydrochloride acid. It kills bacteria and produce enzymes which break down protein into amino acid. So the amino acid breaks down here in the stomach. And then small intestine. Small intestines have an enzymes breakdown here as well. Amylase, protease and lipase all work here. Amylase, protease and lipase. Nutrients are absorbed through villi into the blood. So these three enzymes comes in under the small intestine: amylase, protease and lipase. Then is the large intestine. Water absorption take place. Remaining material become feces. Liver produce bile. which helps break down fats and neutralize stomach acid. Pancreas. What the pancreas do? Pancreas release digestive enzymes into the small intestine, and it helps digest carbohydrate, protein and fats. I repeat, pancreas release digestive enzymes into the small intestine, and it helps digest carbohydrate, protein and fats. So what is the enzyme's function? First thing, enzyme as catalyst. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reaction in the body without being used up. They are very essential for process like digestion and respiration. Now the next topic is specificity of enzyme. Specific. Each enzyme is specific to a particular molecule. For example, amylase only break down starch. Lipase only break down fats. I repeat, amylase only break down starch. Lipase only break down fats. This is called lock and key model because the enzyme and substrate fit together like a key in a lock. The next topic is optimum conditions. Enzymes work best at a specific temperature and pH level. For example, stomach enzyme work best in acidic condition. Enzymes in small intestine work best in neutral or slightly alkaline condition. So let's conclude this digestive purpose. Let's summarize it. So the purpose of digestion is that it breaks down large insoluble food molecules into the smaller soluble molecules, so they can absorb into the blood. For example, carbohydrates breaks down into sugar, protein into amino acids, and fats into fatty acid or glycerol. Saliva in mouth is enzyme amylase. Esophagus is mucus muscles contract in wave-like motion. This process is called peristalsis. In esophagus, there is a muscle contract, but it's in the wave position, wave-like motion, and this process called peristalsis. Stomach have the enzyme protease enzyme stomach have, whereas small intestine it's lined with a tiny finger-like projection called villi. Liver produce bile, whereas pancreas produce enzyme which is amylase, protease and lipase.